Good evening, sir. I'm Nisi Tamayo from BSBN Bangko, and this is my Activity 1 in Applied Business Tools. Question number 1. Identify all items that could be identified as business tools. And this is my answers. I will dictate because you can see, di mo nakikita, sir. Serial number, barcode, storage location, software, social networking, roster, storage requirements, swipe card access, police check, employment contract, stock take, training, repairs, outsource, common skills, fault reporting, asset number, radio frequency identification tags, usage, wiki, landline telephone, damage, security tool, password, security camera, audit, legal implications, maintenance, in-house, consumables, local expert, documentation. And this is the tools that can be considered as business tools. Question number 2. Construct a register form that will cover all tools identified in a question. And this is how I made a registration form. And it dictates name, sex, address, birthday, birthplace, civil status, nationality, email address, and landline, telephone. Question number 3. Fill in all details with the information from the case. So I will fill in. First, name. Name. I will edit all this, and it says last name, first name, and middle initial. I will show you later, sir, after I fill it in. And in address, it says number of house, street, barangay, and city.